everyone, my name's Karen. So my channel is all about fashion, travels, and just random vlogs. If you guys are into this type of videos, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel because this is really going to help me a lot with my YouTube algorithms. And I also do post twice a week, every Monday and Thursday. So don't forget to click that notification bell so you guys get notified every time I post new videos. Happy watching! So, good morning everyone. So for today's video is we are going to do another unboxing video from Amazon. So this is an inspired bag. So let's get started. This is the bag that I got from Amazon. So this is an inspired bag for the Chanel classic flap bag. I got this one in red color and this is in size 25. For the material of this bag, it is made of faux leather, and I got this one just to kind of test it out at first. So if you guys can see in here, it has the same kind of design like the quilted diamond shapes in here, and this one came in gold hardware. It the strap is also pretty much almost the same as the original one. It came with a combination of leather and a chain. So this is what the bag looks like in front. This is at the side, and at the back it also has the back pocket. The only difference is this one is just a plain leather, not actually kind of the same as the quilted one. So the way you open this bag, you just have to kind of turn the lock and then just flip the flap. Lift the flap, and this is what the bag looks like in the inside. It is also made of faux leather, and then it has this compartments on the inside. It has two zipper. This one, it has a middle compartment, but if you guys can see in here, it is not actually in the middle, but it's pretty much all the way at the back. And there's a back pocket in here. There's a zipper back pocket right here, a slip pocket on the in front, and this one the middle compartment. And then for the lining, it does have this polyester lining in here, which is also in kind of darker red. And this one, it feels like kind of awkward when I put my hands in here, but it kind of more looks like secure. I just wish that they didn't put the middle compartment, because if you guys gonna see it, it's not really actually in the middle, but it's more like at the far back of the bag. But still, it's a really cute bag. So if you guys just want to test it out, this is the perfect bag that you guys are going to get. I only got this for like $25, which is not really bad for the price if you're just gonna test it out. So for the chain, for the strap, pretty much is almost the same. You can use this as a shoulder strap, or you can also do this as a crossbody bag. You just have to pull the chain all the way right here. So like I said, this is a great dupe if you guys just want to test it out. So it's really cute. Now let's see what fits inside this bag. So I already have some few stuff in front of me, and then we're just gonna put everything inside. So I have this wallet right here, so I'm gonna put it right here. And I also have this wet wipes. Let's see if it's gonna fit in there. And then I also have my phone, so we're gonna put it in this compartment. Oops, hold on just a second. I'm gonna try and make this one fit. And then I also have my super trusty lip balm in here. Let's see if we still have more. Pretty much, as you guys can see, it's already full, so I'm gonna try and take this out and try to put my lotion and my lip balm on the inside, and then my car keys. These are my daily necessities that I always bring with me. So this is what the bag looks like on the inside. I still have some few spaces in here. It's just that the wet wipes, the baby wipes, are kind of big, so it's taking up too much space. So this is what it looks like on the inside. So let's see if it's going to close. Yep, it did close. So it's really cute. You know, I also noticed that the chain, it's kind of on the heavier side as well. Like it is a well-made bag, and it's so thank you guys again for watching, and I'll see you again next time. Bye.